The reason Joby Aviation could start overcoming recent regulatory and legal headwinds comes from it beginning flight testing of its first aircraft built to FAA conforming standards for Type Inspection Authorization, TIA. This aircraft, designated N547JX, is the first in a fleet designed specifically to support the FAA's certification process for commercial passenger operations. The aircraft was assembled using components and airframes built to designs approved by FAA-designated engineering representatives, and its airworthiness was certified by FAA-designated airworthiness representatives according to the company's FAA-approved testing plans. Early testing flights are already underway, and FAA pilots are expected to begin official TIA flight testing later this year at Joby's facility in Marina, California. These tests represent one of the final stages required before an aircraft can receive full type certification and begin commercial service. President of Aircraft OEM Didier Papadopoulos said the successful flight marks the transition from earlier component and system-level testing into the final phase of full aircraft evaluation. In parallel with certification progress, Joby is expanding manufacturing capacity to prepare for large-scale production. It completed an expanded manufacturing facility in Marina in 2025 and launched propeller blade production in Ohio. It also acquired a 700,000 square foot production facility in Dayton, intended to support manufacturing growth. Joby plans to produce 4 aircraft per month by 2027, with facilities designed to eventually support up to 500 aircraft deliveries annually. Joby is also participating in the Electric Vertical Takeoff and Landing Integration Pilot Program, a White House-backed initiative designed to accelerate the integration of advanced aircraft into U.S. airspace. Through this program, Joby has approval to begin early operational demonstrations in multiple states, including Arizona, Florida, Texas, New York, North Carolina, and Utah. Demonstrations could include passenger transportation, cargo delivery, medical missions, and automation trials. Joby is also testing its Superpilot autonomous flight platform, which could enable highly automated operations in the future. According to founder and CEO Joby Beavert, these programs will allow communities to begin seeing electric air taxis operating locally even before full FAA certification is completed. Then, while you get ready to take your first air taxi flight, check out the stock market skies with TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.